If you want to update Photoshop to the latest version using Adobe Creative Cloud, this video is going to walk you through it step by step in the fastest and easiest way possible. Keeping Photoshop updated is important because it gives you the newest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes, and it helps make sure everything runs smoothly on your Windows machine. So if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your Windows computer. This is the app that manages all of your Adobe software updates, installs, and license connections. Once it opens, take a look at the top bar. On the right side, near your profile icon and the search bar, you should see the Updates tab. Click on Updates to view any available software updates for your Adobe apps. Once you're on the Updates page, it's a good idea to click Check for Updates in the top right corner. This forces Creative Cloud to refresh the list and make sure you're seeing the newest available versions. Sometimes updates don't appear right away, so this step helps make sure nothing is missing. After that, scroll through the list of available updates and locate Photoshop. You may see other Adobe apps listed here too, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Photoshop. When you find it, look for the Update button next to it. Click Update and Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing the latest version of Photoshop for you. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few minutes. While it's installing, it's best to let the process finish without closing Creative Cloud or shutting down your computer. Once it's done, Photoshop will be updated and ready to use with the latest improvements, and that's it. You've now successfully updated Photoshop through Adobe Creative Cloud. It really is that simple once you know where to click. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.